Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a tour inside of a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath apartment with maid's quarters and maid's bedroom. We just walked through the lobby, and next we're going to go check out the social area of this building here in Pattaya in Panama City. Okay, these are just some still photos of the pool area. If anytime you cannot hear this video because I am not wearing my mic, please turn it up to its maximum volume so you can hear the entire video. Okay, so now we are entering the social area, which is the main area here in this building. There are a lot of lounging chairs, smaller pools, and then you see this is the larger pool here. They also have a sauna on the other end, and here's a nice like barbecue kitchen area if you wanted to come out here and have some snacks or some food. Down this hall is a squash court. For right now, they're thinking about changing that into something else because it's rarely used. But this is the outside kitchen area, and there are eating areas. You can bring your lunch down or dinner and have a nice snack. And this is an event space that you can rent if you want to have a party or something for a small fee. You can rent this space there. This is a very nice social area. They keep it clean all the time. As you can see, no one is using it right now. It's not heavily used, but it is a very nice area. So now what we're going to do is take a look inside of the workout area. Let's look inside the gym. All of the buildings in Panama City have really nice social areas. Okay, as you see now, we're in the gym area. You see where they have weights, and they have, all body equipment, sit-up bars, boxing bag, plenty of things, pull-up bar, plenty of things for you to do to get your workout on. Okay, so one of the things that I like about this apartment, one of the main things, is that it is that's a service door, and this is the apartment door. It's one apartment per floor. One apartment per floor. Okay, so to the right is the dining room. This is the dining room area, and it has a step down, as you can see, a step down living room area. So this is the living room area. I hope you guys can hear me because I do not have my mic on. And this is could be like a TV room or whatever you want to do here. These are the views. You can also see Costa del Este, Costa del Este over there. Let me go to the other window because there's like an oceanfront community that you can see. See those oceanfront homes? You can see them right there. There's oceanfront houses that are behind these apartment buildings that you don't even know that they're there. And that's Ocean Reef, the island of apartments over there. And there's Costa del Este over there. So we're gonna walk around. Next we can do the kitchen area. This is a separate kitchen. Has doors so you can separate yourself from the living area. There's this whole separate kitchen. Walk-in kitchen area. This particular apartment has a refrigerator and a freezer. And there's like a butler area over there. Very spacious kitchen area. A walk-in pantry, well, not walk-in, but very nice spacious pantry. A eat-in kitchen area. And back here is the maid's quarters. This is a maid's bathroom. And this would be the maid room. But this room was used as a laundry room and for cleaning. Okay? And this is this door that you saw on the outside. This is the service entry door. And also where the trash can is kept. That other door over there goes to the elevator. So each floor has their own trash can and service door. Because remember, it's only one apartment per floor. And here is the washer and dryer. We're gonna go back this way so we can go to the first set of bedrooms here. This is so spacious. I think it's like 25, a little over 2,500 square feet. The first room you come to is a powder room. This is a powder room here. Pretty decent sized powder room. All right. And once again, this area can be closed off. The bedroom area can be closed off to the rest of the house, which is kind of nice. Okay, so this is the first bedroom we're gonna come to. Each bedroom has a walk-in closet and its own bathroom. So it's like a 3-bedroom, 3.5 baths, and that's not including the maid's room and the maid bath. This was used as an office. This room has a shower. And a bedroom, and they all have bidets, which are very nice. And they all have individual air conditioning units. And this is a walk-in, not walk-in, I don't know why I keep saying that, but lots of storage, linen, or whatever you want to use it for. Lots of storage. This is the second bedroom. Once again, all bedrooms have its own bath. So you could share this space with somebody. It could be for a large family. And another walk-in closet. But this apartment is sold, so you cannot have this apartment. But say if you're looking at a 3-bedroom, 3-bath apartment, it could be used in a roommate situation, a large family, or something like that. And this is the master bedroom. Nice city view. And that community down there are multi-million-dollar homes. It's a community, a private community, gated community. It sits here in the middle of Panama City. About 20 homes. They have like solar panel. They have their own private poles. But it sits in the middle of Panama City behind like these trees, like these shrubs, like the walls are covered in shrubs. You don't even know it's there unless you can see it from above. It's pretty well hidden. And this is the largest bedroom, the principal bedroom, walk-in closet. And one of my most favorite parts is this huge tub. It's really deep. And I'm tall, so I fit perfectly with room to spare in this tub. This is trash. Let me get this off. Yeah, they all have bidets, which are really nice. All the rooms have doors. You can close off the laundry room if you're doing laundry. You can close off the door down there. So I do like that everything can be closed off. And if you had a maid, a live-in maid, then this is where they would stay. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed this tour of a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, plus a maid's quarters and a maid's bathroom. This is what you can get in Pattaya for about $2,000 a month here in Panama City. But you cannot get this particular apartment because this apartment is sold. So no need to tell you the building because you cannot get it. This is a residential building. They have no openings. Everything is full. People live here for a long time. They don't normally rent these apartments out. All right? See how big this place is? It's huge. You can probably hear my echo. But anyway, there's lots of apartments that you can get. This came unfurnished in Pattaya, one of the places that I talked about in my other how to find or the cost of living video. Hope you've enjoyed this apartment tour. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you find whatever apartment you're looking for in Panama City. Have a great day. To get an idea of what type of apartments are available in Panama, make sure you use Encrita24.com. Click on the link where I show you how to use this particular website. And don't forget, if you're using a realtor, make sure it's a reputable and trusted realtor. And hopefully you will find the apartment of your dreams. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos.